What is up guys, welcome to another video. It's CB Tech here. Yesterday Apple announced their brand new budget iPad on their educational event which was held on 27th of March 2018. It is also known as $329 iPad, which shows that it is a complete budget thing which they have announced is for the schools and educational purposes, actually for the students who can't afford that pro end lineup. So we are going to have a look on this iPad right here in this video. Let's go. So here is the all new iPad which has a size of 9.7 inches. It now supports an Apple Pencil, and Apple gave it a tagline of "like computer, unlike any computer." So as I mentioned earlier on, you can now use your Apple Pencil with the iPad. It now supports that. It also have Microsoft PowerPoint in which you can create, edit, and show the presentations. You can do anything with the Apple Pencil. You can draw the graphs, you can sketch, you can take notes, which is just completely awesome for a budget end model. Beside Apple Pencil support, now it also supports AI, augmented reality, which really is the future of technology. You can use it for the education purposes or any purpose in which the AI use. You can play the AI games, and you can use it for the measurements of tools, etc. This iPad have also got a camera spec bump. Now you have an 8 megapixel rear shooting camera which can record the HD video at 1080p, and you also have much more improved front camera for all your selfies and FaceTime calls. Only Apple Pencil is not the product which it now supports. It also supports the smart typing keyboard of the iPad. Now you can take it anywhere and pull that keyboard out and start typing. No need of connections, just connect and start typing. The budget end iPad also has a new color option, which is the new gold finish. Apple have dramatically improved their wireless connectivity with this new budget end iPad, meaning that you will be able to connect the wireless things at much more faster rate. You will get the Wi-Fi at much more faster rate and Bluetooth etc. One of the very important features and the part of any device which you buy is their battery life and their battery size. But with this new budget and iPad, Apple have really ensured that the battery life is up to 10 hours or all day long for you guys, for all the students who are going to purchase this, so that they could completely utilize all that power hidden in this beast. Talking about the security, you have a Touch ID sensor in the button, meaning that you can unlock your iPad with your fingerprint. You have a much more secure iPad than before. Here is the pricing for the budget iPad. For 32GB it is going to cost $329. For 128GB it is going to cost $429. And if you want this iPad with cellular capabilities, the 32GB variant is going to cost you $459, and 128GB is going to cost you $559, which in my opinion is quite reasonable prices. So let's talk about the specs and the things which are missing from this budget iPad. First of all, you have a Retina 9.7-inch diagonal display, LED backlit with multi-touch 2048 by 1536 resolution at 264 pixels per inch, fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating. You don't have a fully laminated display, anti-reflective coating, promotion display, white color P3 gamut or true tone display on this iPad, which is of course expected because Apple won't give it away to you guys at that such cheap cost. One more thing to mention, the Touch ID sensor which you get in the new budget and iPad is not the second gen, it is the old school first gen Touch ID sensor. So here was the video on the new budget and iPad guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.